Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, almost end of the month, August the 30th, 2022. We have here only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3-star Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku. Then we have two tectonics. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. One with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the final one, a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. What's happening outside? Police cars? Well. Alright. News of today. Yeah, there's a strike. Train strike in the Netherlands. In Holland. Yes. No trains are riding. So if you are going to the airport, it will be difficult. So there's a train strike maybe tomorrow also. They will want to continue tomorrow. Anyway, train strike. Let me continue with the puzzles. Sudoku Medium number 5094. It will be. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. Sudoku in the additional, this will be a 2 stars, and for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the 9? A lot of 9s. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the 3rd column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. Alright, 9 in the 3rd column, 9 in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Well. How about the 7 then? 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this last row. 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. All right. Then. Cannot continue with the 7. How about we have a pair, the 4 and the 5 in this row, the 4 and the 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the 3rd column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 3rd column, 4 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the 3rd row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the 1st row, 4 in the 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the column next, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay, then now I can continue with the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. Only 1, yes. Need to wait for the more information. How about? Yeah. I'm scanning. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. All right. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, and 8. 1, 3, and 8 in this row. So what are those 2 missing numbers then in this row? 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes as a pair, 6 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this first column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes here. Alright, the 2 in the first column, the 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. Need to wait for 2, cannot continue, but we have here 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, and look, we have 8 in this row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 7 and 5 are left. 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Alright. Then. Yeah, then. Let me see. Then. Come on. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. It should be here. Alright. 5, okay. 1, 3, 8, 1, 2. 1, 3, 8, and the 6 is missing. Interesting. We have a 2 now in this column. The 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. For numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 in the last column. 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. Here 1 in the middle row. So no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 1 now. I need to wait. How about the 2 then? 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Have I all the 2s? Yeah, let me count. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Alright. How about the 7 then? Can I continue with 7? That's the question. No, need to wait. Well, 7. No. 7. Well, 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the third row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. How about the 9 then? Can I continue with the 9? Yes, the 9 in the first row, the 9 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6 and a 9. Now we have a 9 here in this column, so this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and that box should be a 6. And all the 9s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Alright. Then. 2 missing numbers now. In the last column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers, the second row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we can continue with the 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, number 1. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square, the 3 and the 8, I believe. Yeah, the 1 is already filled in. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 here in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5, no 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. Medium Sudoku, yes, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.